Why does your scanner show the P2704 engine code? What does it mean? P2704 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission friction element E applied time range or performance. This engine code indicates that is a general OBD2 code for vehicles with automatic transmissions, and potential causes include low or dirty transmission fluid, worn clutch packs, hydraulic leaks in the valve body, or a malfunctioning TCM or solenoids. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: worn clutch packs, low transmission fluid, dirty transmission fluid, internal transmission mechanical problems, faulty transmission hydraulic system. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge, Ford, and Land Rover models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.